Welcome to another rendezvous, another hike. I'm with my good friend here.
I'm one of the people who organized the trip. We're gonna go today to Korbous.
Korbous is famous for that hot spring.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Looking forward to it, man.
Okay,
excellent. Thanks.
let's go.
And we're in Korbous today. And Korbous is very famous for the natural hot spring that comes out of the mountain. And it's naturally hotter. This thing is not artificial at all. So there is some volcanic activity happening that's heating the water, and it flows into the ocean. We're hiking along the mountain road, but as you can see, we are right on the Mediterranean. That's where we're going. That's where the hot spring comes up with the hot water and it runs into the ocean. So we're hiking around and we're heading down to that. Here we've hiked down on the road and now we're very close to where the hot springs are, right there. So we're here in Korbous. The hot spring is right over that wall. It's very crowded today. And that's the hot spring there. Very, very hot. As you can see the steam coming up. There's a strong smell of sulfur. Again, I remember this is natural. So there is some volcanic activity happening in the mountain and pushing out this hot water. I'm going to test it. Whoa, it's pretty hot. The water flows out the mountain and they design it in a way it flows down into the ocean. So it's too hot to bathe in up there, but when it mixes with the cold water, you can take a bath. It's supposed to be healthy for you. Very hot. So as you saw, I took a quick little swim by the hot spring. It was really nice. It is winter into springtime, so the water is still very cold. And then the water from the hot spring is very, very hot. So you're in the water and you're going from very cold to very hot. We continue the hike. So we're hiking up the mountainside now. It's a little bit rugged, a little bit harder, but not too bad. But you know what makes it better? The view. Always. Anytime you're feeling stressed out and tired, you just have to look around, take it in. We've hiked over the hills and we're going to be hiking down to that beach you're seeing in the background there. Is right there, just this little piece here to hike down. We'll be there right off the beach. As you can see, there is another hot spring right here. So right there, more hot water comes up and the water is kind of dark and black, not because it's dirty. It's like the sulfur colors the water dark. They actually collect the clay and you can put it on your skin because the sulfur in it is supposed to make it actually very healthy for you. we're having lunch and these guys are cooking up some Malawi. School. Hot. Yes, they cook up Malawi. This is very similar to roti, but in Trinidad, what we eat. They eat it here with olive oil.
Oh, zitona.
Finished by the beach, had lunch, relaxed a little bit, taking the scenery. Now we have to hike back up to the road. Back on the road, heading up to the bus. So we're back by the buses and we're taking a little rest and then we're going to do some quad. Just came back from riding the quad and it was pretty crazy. We just came to the end of the quad and we did a nice hike through the mountains and we also saw the spring which was flowing hot also. So it was pretty good. These guys are the organizers. I want to thank you for a good trip. Remember guys, if you like what you see, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe and to leave a comment below.
Yeah.
Alright?
That's sure.
Until next time guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.